So without vocabs, no one can speak anything in English. So in this video, I'm just going to talk about relations and what relations call what in English. I'm just going to take the relations name in Bengali and I will just translate that Bengali relations to English relationship. Okay, so just stay with me until the last second of this video. It's gonna be a helpful video for you and it will help you a lot to know about the relatives who call what in English. So let's start. So at first, অতিথি আমরা বলি না অতিথি. So instead of অতিথি, অতিথি calls in English guest. অতিথি guest. শিক্ষক অধ্যাপক টিচার. শিক্ষক অধ্যাপক টিচার. উপপত্নী মিস্ট্রেস. উপপত্নী মিস্ট্রেস. গুরু টিচার. গুরু টিচার. গ্রাহক কাস্টমার. গ্রাহক কাস্টমার. কাকা মামা মেশামশাই whatever that's called uncle. কাকিমা মাসিমা মামি whatever that's called like who is just at your father's or who is just who calls your father or your mother's brother or sisters, all of them will be your uncle or auntie. So kakima mashima mami they call aunt. Chala বা শিষ্য student or disciple or people. So there are three. You can use the simple ones student, maybe disciple, maybe people. Then জমিদার landlord. জমিদার landlord. শালিকা ননদ নানস ইত্যাদি. সিস্টার ইন ল. শালিকা যে আমরা বলি না শালি আছে বা যে ননদ আছে এমন, দিস অল আর কল সিস্টার ইন ল. দত্তক কন্যা অ্যাডাপ্টেড সিস্টার. দত্তক কন্যা অ্যাডাপ্টেড সিস্টার. দত্তক এটাকে অ্যাডাপ্ট বলে. সো whenever anything comes like a দত্তক ছেলে, so we can say that's adopted son. Then দাদা বড় ভাই elder brother. Actually who is just elder than you. I mean যে যদি কেউ বয়সে বড় হয়ে থাকে তোমার থেকে তাহলে সে এল্ডার, আর যে ছোট সে ইয়াঙ্গার. তারপর দাদু গ্র্যান্ডফাদার. ঠাকুরদা গ্র্যান্ডফাদার. দিদিমা ঠাকুমা গ্র্যান্ডমাদার. জামাতা সন ইন ল. পত্নী ওয়াইফ. প্রজা টেন্যান্ট. প্রজা টেন্যান্ট. কন্যা ডটার. প্রেম লাভ. প্রেমিক lover. If it's male then it's lover. Okay, premika if it's female then it also called lover. There is no any just a gender based, it's called lover. বোন ভাগ্নে sister. বোন ভাগ্নে sister. ভাইপো ভাগ্নে ভাগ্নে, so it's a nephew. But you have to just keep it in mind, if it's just a male Bhagne, Bhagni, or whatever, it's a male, then it's nephew. Or if it's just a female, or it's then it will call niece, like a Bhagni, Bhaiji, Mayer, me, whatever. So this call just niece. Mata or ma, mother, mama. I said it's uncle, or you can say maternal uncle. Maternal means মায়ের তরফ থেকে. So if it's just your mama, so you can say maternal uncle or uncle, whatever. Mommy, maternal aunt. Because I said if any relatives that comes from your mother's side, so that's time called maternal. Or any relatives if it comes from your father's side, that's time it's called paternal. You have to keep in mind these things. Then mokkel, client. Client means customer, or you can say actually this client terms used basically in the law when a lawyer just take case of their customer. So lawyer they use client, they don't say customer, they say client. So it is terms used basically in the law field, and mostly you hear this words in the mouth of lawyer. So they say just client. Then judgment or priest client, or ukil pleader, or we say that's lawyer, whatever. Bondhu, friend. Rogi, patient, rogi, patient. Uttradhikari, here. Uttradhikari, here, or ancestor, whatever, here or ancestor. Shisho, people. Shisho, people. Student or disciple, whatever, disciple, pupil or student. Shoshur, father-in-law. Shoshur, father-in-law. Shashuri, mother-in-law. Then Shotme, it just steps on, a stepdaughter. If it's just a step means shot. So if anybody is saying it's a shot, then it's step. Maybe stepson, maybe stepdaughter. Then, and these are the some important terms that's the use in relations, and I think it will help you to know and just call your relatives in English.